Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NAJIHAH with RASUL. Now I will explain about the test or the result of our group project, which is a Utem memory system. So there is two modules, which is registration and borrowing book. So I will explain about the registration. So first, insert member ID. Member's name. Lastly, faculty, and then click submit. So if I click submit, then registration member is successful. Okay, so this is the details of what I've been insert in the system. So the status remains. So for the next is validate if user entry field empty. Validate if the user can insert, can click submit button if there is empty field. So go back to the new member. So I'm not insert anything, so I click submit. So this message will be pop up. It will come up. Please fill out this field. So leave any or all entry field empty will be filled. So for the last one, if I insert less character or number for contact number or member contact, so I insert other details first. So I insert less character, just a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I click submit. Okay, so this will be pop up. This match the requested format. So it cannot insert into the database. So the result will be filled. So that's all from me for registration module. So I will pass the presentation to my next member, which is Muhammad Shafiq. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Shafiq bin AZIZAN. I would like to explain about the result in borrowing book module. Okay, first, if we are not inserting our member ID, no result is appear, or we inserting not valid member ID, so no result will appear. Now we must insert our valid member ID to get the result. So when we inserting the valid member ID, we can get the result of the member. Okay. So for this pass, and this pass. So now we will check the penalty record. The librarian can add book to borrow, and we can see the book is successfully can borrow or not. So now I insert one member ID. For example, I inserting Syafiq AZIZAN. So I click check. If a member doesn't have a penalty record, he can successfully add a book. So now If he add the book information book ID, so we can click save. So the book is successful to add. When we empty the book ID, we are not scan or we are not put the book ID. When we click save, it will appear the book ID required. So okay, for now I'm setting another. Okay, I'm setting again. Okay. For the fourth book, if we insert, we can add another book because we are limiting of borrow book. One person can only borrow 3 books. Okay. If we are done with our borrowing, we can click done. So the borrowing book is successful. Okay. If we inserting a member ID, but we doesn't add the book information when we click done, so there are no book information. We cannot borrow any book to borrow any book. So for example, if I insert another member ID, so it will change to Nabil Zakaria. And if I check, for example, Nabil must returning previous book and pay penalty, so he can't borrow any book. So for the borrowing member ID, so the result is pass. Click button check and has no penalty. Please enter penalty first, pass. Enter the book code, pass. If there are no book codes but click save, it will appear fail to book added and required the book ID, pass. So if over limit of 3 books for 1 person, fail to edit the book, pass. If click button done when all the information is successful, the book details and member ID, pass. And if there are no book information or member information, pass. Okay, that's all. Thank you.